Jump provides you with a couple of options for helping you make marketing posts after your meetings. You can use the LinkedIn integration to create a marketing post directly from Jump, or you can use the instructions that we go over in this video to copy and paste an AI post directly to your social media account. To do this, you'll first need to set up the automation by going to your user settings, visiting the automations page, and then finding the plus icon that's going to be showing up under the Do This section. Click on the plus icon and then begin creating your automation by naming it. It's totally up to you what you want to name it. For this video, we're going to call it Generate Post. Next, we're going to choose the type, which is Generate Post. And then this auto-fills a description field with the AI prompt that Jump is going to use for when it's creating your post after your meetings. And then Jump is going to give you an example as well that the AI can use for reference when it's creating your posts. Next, you need to choose which meeting types you want to see this automation be used for. And we're going to go ahead and go with client meeting and discovery intro meeting. But feel free to choose any meeting types you'd like to see it applied to. Make sure you click Save and Close to save your work. And then the next step is to have a new meeting or go to an old AI process meeting and reprocess it. Just a word of warning, remember if you're going to reprocess a meeting, that means that you're going to lose any notes that you made to the recap email, the notes on that meeting. So just be careful. Now once the Generate Post automation is shown up on the right side of your screen, you can click that button after a meeting, view the AI post that Jump created. You can go in and make any changes, and then once you're ready, you can select the copy button to copy it to your clipboard. This means that you can now navigate to your social media site, Control V, Command V, or right click and paste, and now you're ready to post your marketing content. Now, if you're new to this feature, I recommend just trying out the default prompt and example it provides, but after you see it used a few times, you can always go back to that automation, update the prompt, edit the example, and customize it to your liking. But if you have any questions about customizing your post or customizing anything else in Jump, don't forget you can always reach out to us by clicking the bubble in the bottom right corner of your screen and sending a message over to our support team. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.